Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add filter to your project on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, you can start a new project if you go to the new project button, and in the project section you can find your old project. Just select one and new, click to the first icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can find different filters, for example featured, shake, film, glitter, estrella and others, and just select one, for example the square opened. And if you want to select, for example, that, click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.